The Mercedes W116, seen here in elegant astral silver, truly defined luxury in the 1970s.
Here at Sindelfingen in 1972, the very first S-Class emerged, a testament to German automotive excellence. The automated system ensures precise layering of the blanks, separated by interleaf paper protection.
Featuring the innovative egg crate reinforcement pattern, this design exemplifies German engineering for maximum structural rigidity, safety, and quality.
By rubbing the filing stone across the surface, the red compound transfers only to the high areas, a crucial step in verifying surface quality.
In 1972, the Sindelfingen plant introduced the KUKA Unimate, Europe's first robotic welding line.
Here we see the W116 structure taking shape, as the rear and front floor sections are precisely aligned and joined.
The new KUKA robot precisely positions the electrode tips, demonstrating the future of automotive manufacturing. The hot water rinse removes the alkaline residue, preparing the surface for the critical phosphate treatment stage.
Submersion in ton, the 50-degree solution ensures a uniform crystalline coating.
The chromate rinse effectively seals the phosphate layer. Following this multi-stage preparation,
Here we see the remarkable efficiency of the anodic electrocoating system, providing unparalleled coverage and material utilization.
to ensure complete waterproofing, the seams of the floor pan and roof gutters are meticulously sealed with this high-quality compound.
The primer surfacer bakes at temperatures between 140 and 160 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes.
The flash time allows the solvents to evaporate, letting the paint settle and level before the next coat.
The freshly coated body now enters the massive reflow oven.
Hier ein Einschluss im Lack. Notiert. Position 4b, kleiner Mangel.
These dust nibs and the heavy orange peel texture must be addressed before the vehicle can move to the next stage.
We sand these down to a 220 grit. You can feel the smoothness.
we're looking for any deep scratches or insect bites. A good hide like this one, despite the brand here, makes the premium grade.
We mark the defects clearly with chalk to ensure we maximize the usable area of this fine hide.
Mercedes spared no expense in the 70s. The premium hide used for the seat centers contrasts beautifully with the secondary areas of the bolsters.
After securing the springs with a traditional 8-way tie, the burlap is stretched drum tight over the coils before tacking it to the frame. This is the Untertürkheim engine plant, the birthplace of Mercedes power plants.
Here we verify the main bearing bore alignment to ensure the crankshaft spins true. The cylinder bores are then precisely honed.
We've got the chain draped over the 8 and 36 tooth sprockets. Next, we secure the hydraulic tensioner to keep everything in precise valve timing.
Here we see the green injectors being fitted. This analog electronic fuel injection was revolutionary.
As you can see, the compression holds steady between 10 and 13 bar. Now we set the timing.
The installation of the ATE dual piston calipers ensures premium braking. The lubro joint must be carefully aligned with the differential.
Langsamer, pass auf die Stifte auf. Passt. Absenken.
Mercedes-Benz pioneered the collapsible steering column, seen here, utilizing a universal joint to link the driver controls to the steering box.
The chassis rigidity on the banking is exceptional.
The new suspension design holds the line perfectly. A milestone for Sindelfingen. The new S-Class, a testament to German engineering, leaves the line.
Here we see the magnificent W116 S-Class in elegant astral silver.
The Mercedes W116, seen here in elegant astral silver, truly defined luxury in the 1970s.